Thank you, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends. Actually, I like the description of our former Prime Minister about the difference between Bulgaria and Austria. He said Bulgaria is just like Austria, but with a seaside. So, if we start from here, second point, I was not going to come tonight because it was fairly recently when we met in almost the same composition. It was certainly the same room, but the Prime Minister specifically asked me to come because he couldn't come and he thought it was important that someone having to do with investments addresses Austrian business in Bulgaria. So here I am, and in order to use for an informative purpose these couple of minutes that I have, I will pick it up from where we left it last time.